Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video for the Camaro. Today we're going to be installing a Wonderbar steering brace, whatever you'd want to call it, into the Camaro. Now, if you've ever been on the 3rd Gen forums, this is a very, very recommended thing. I don't know why it's taking me this long to do it, but better late than never, right? Now, there's different Wonderbars you can buy. This one I bought is from TDS, which is Top Down Solutions. This costs like $50 to $60, somewhere in there. The reason I chose the TDS is that it uses a 3rd mounting point right here, which there's already a bolt in your frame for it. A lot of the other Wonderbars don't utilize that. So if you plan on adding some power, you know, some serious, for instance, me, I have an RS. If I ever plan to slap some Iroc stickers on there, I'm gonna want that 3rd mounting point for the extra torque and power that's gonna give me. Kidding, calm down. But it does have the 3rd mounting point, which just is better reinforcement for sure. Probably better peace of mind as far as it not falling out or something, I guess. I don't know. But for almost, I think it's less than the price of the other Wonderbars. This one has that 3rd mounting point. This is black steel. It's powder coated. I like that he makes it black. A lot of the suspension parts I've found, you like have to get them in red. I don't want a bunch of red suspension parts, but I've had to get some of them. Lowering springs, lower control arms, stuff like that. I've had to get them in red to get the things that I want. But this comes in black, and I think he offers quite a few color options as well. I'll link the website down below, and installing this is super duper easy. It's just 6 bolts total, and I'll show you how to do it. Now, you might not need a Wonderbar. Your Camaro might have came with one. Mine, if you look here underneath, there is no reinforcement bar across where the front bushings are for the sway bar or whatever. So this is definitely something I'm going to want to do. And I'm not hot riding around in the car or anything. I'm just cruising it once in a while. But this, apparently the 3rd gens are notorious for like right around the steering box, the subframe there can crack. So I'm trying to prevent that, or if it is there, minimize the spread of the crack. I got to find out once I get the undercoating and stuff off, see if there's any cracks. But anyways, let's go install this. Alright, so I'm using a 5/8. I'm going to start getting these off. Now this is going to come down like this. Just a little bit of slack. Now with this Wonderbar, when I set it in here, there's 2 bolts here, right? This Wonderbar can only go one way. So the flanges are going to be pointing back towards the rear of the car. This bar is going to be at the front. This is the front of the car that way. So when I line these up with the holes, this bolt right here is what goes in this hole here. So that's what I meant when I was talking about the 3rd mounting point on this right here. It's this right here. So let's get this bolt out. Also, if you can see, my bolts are disgusting. So I'm going to get some new bolts if I can find them, just for peace of mind. All right, let's get these last bolts off. Those were easy to get out. Also, something I noticed, the length of the regular bolts, the first bolts I took out is that. The length of the new bolt is that. So this shorter one is the 3rd mounting point. Let me kind of show you side by side here. That's the difference in length. So use the shorter one for the 3rd mounting point up here. All right, now we rock and roll. We get these. I'm just kind of test fitting it right now to see where my holes are going to line up, and they're not lining up, so mildly concerning. Do I possibly have this backwards? Let's see. I'm an idiot. Okay, I tried to mount this on backwards. All right, keep in mind that's the rear of the car. This is the front of the car. This sticker is going to be facing the bottom, the ground. Flanges are going to be facing the rear. This lip is going to be on the front side. Yeah, I just had it flipped around the opposite way, like an idiot. I was laying here thinking my frame was twisted or something. Total idiot. Okay. Okay, get that started. Maybe. No, didn't get it started. Okay. Get it tightened a little bit. Okay, now we tighten this one. Finger tight that one in there. Like that. That third bolt. And everything I'm doing over here, I'm just mirroring over here. Now I'm tightening down. All right, now in tightening down the bolts, you're supposed to do a 35 pound-foot torque. Me, I didn't graduate high school or go to Harvard business law degree PhD, okay? So I'm not going to be doing that. Guys, I'm kidding. I'm going to be getting all new hardware. So when I do, then I will torque it down to 35 pounds. For now, I just kind of wrench the gosh dang absolute heck out of it. And that should hold until the new bolts come in. Yeah, but as you can see from the B-roll here, this was a shot before I had the Wonderbar in. Looks kind of dreary and gray and dull under there. Now it's nice and black and shiny. I mean, come on, guys. So hopefully this is just kind of supposed to stiffen up the front end a little bit. Also supposed to help the subframe from cracking up here. Basically just a reinforcement bar. So glad I got it done. One headache out of the way. Thanks for watching. If you're into Camaros, if you have a third-gen Camaro, you might want to subscribe. Check out the other videos in the playlist if you want. Maybe then you could see if you want to subscribe or not. I have a whole playlist and a whole project on this car right here. So give the video a like if it helped you out. Also shout out to TDS, Top Down Solutions, for making a third mounting point on the Wonderbar. That is going to be great. Again, like I said, for anybody taking their RS, slapping some Iroc badges on it, and that subsequent added torque and power is going to be where that third mounting point comes in handy. Have a great day, guys. Bye.